A powerful feature of your Careers and Skills Passport is the ability to share it with potential employers. Here's how to use it effectively. Begin by logging in to your Careers and Skills Passport with SingPass. On the dashboard, click on the Share button. Before you share your profile, click on the Preview Your Public Profile button to see the information you will be sharing. Scroll through the page to confirm that the information you'll be sharing is accurate and up to date. When done, close the tab to return to the previous screen. Next, check that your profile is set to public. The shareable link to your Careers and Skills Passport is now generated. You can now share your Careers and Skills Passport with potential employers by including this link in your resume or job applications. Click Generate New Link to regenerate the shareable link at any time. This feature allows you to provide information from government-verified sources to potential employers, which adds credibility to your profile and can give you an edge in the competitive job market. Take charge of your career journey. Log into your Careers and Skills Passport to review and share your profile today.